Hello YouTube subscribers. Well, I got some nice flowers growing here on the mangoes. I am excited. Mango season's going to be a good one. So that takes a while though. These are flowering now, but they won't actually be ready for picking until August. Okay, so but this tree over here on the left is a Nam duck mango, really good. And this one right in front of us there, that's a champagne mango, the Atalfo from Mexico. The other one is from the Philippines, Nam duck, really good. And today I wanted to talk about sugar. There's a lot of sugar in mangoes. And some people say that sugar causes cancer. Is that true? Absolutely not. The one food that can help cancer more than anything else is fruit, the sugar that's in fruit. There's so much confusion about sugar. It's bad for you. Yes, processed white sugar and cakes and cookies and things like that, yes, absolutely, they are bad for you. And one of the reasons they're bad for you, the main reason I should say that it's bad for you, first of all, it's empty calories. Okay, there's no nutritional value there, really, not much. And the other thing is, you know, those cookies and pastries and candies and all that, a lot of that stuff they add oils to. And then they're baking the oils at high temperatures, you know, 450 degrees or whatever. Now you've got a rancid, carcinogenic oil, okay, that you're ingesting. So those kind of sugars, absolutely no good. But the sugar that's in fruit is the best food for someone that has cancer, because fruit is a cleansing food. Nothing will clean you out better than fruit. Okay, it's a high energy food. It's drawing toxins out of your body. Okay, it's always cleansing your body. And that's what you need. And you need an alkaline body if you had cancer. And because one of the, you know, the main cause for cancer is too much acid in the system, which is caused by animal-based foods. Okay, now fruit is a totally alkaline food. Even the so-called ones that people think, you know, have too much acid, it's, yeah, citric acid is in your citrus fruits, but you got to remember that once you ingest that, it's alkaline now in your body. Okay, fruit is not acid at all. So that's another reason why you want to eat fruit. But the reason there's so much confusion, there have been many studies done. John Hopkins, all these people do studies, and they find that people that have high blood sugar levels tend to get cancers more than anyone else. And yes, that's true. But what is it that causes the high blood sugar levels? It's not eating fruit. That's not the root cause. The root cause of a high blood sugar level is too much dietary fat. It's that simple. Fat is a gooey, sticky substance. And what happens is when you get too much fat in your bloodstream, it coats the insulin receptors. The insulin receptors are that the insulin picks up the sugar and escorts it into the cells. Every cell in our body is fueled by simple sugars. And once these insulin receptors are coated with this gooey, sticky oil from too much dietary fat, they no longer function properly. So now you have the blood sugar is stuck in the bloodstream. Not a good scenario. Very bad. That's what's going to bring on diabetes, cancers, eventually heart disease. So it's dietary fat that's the problem, not fruit sugar. Fruit sugar is the best. Every cell in our body needs simple sugars. Our brain cells, liver cells, the big toe cells, they're all fueled by simple sugars. Whether you eat fruit or a piece of steak, that steak has to be broken down to simple sugars before the body can use it. So there's always blood sugar in your bloodstream. There has to be, otherwise you would die. Okay, we need sugar. That's the fuel. It's the fuel of our bodies. Like a car runs on gas, human beings run on sugar. But you want the good sugar. And that's where fruit comes in. It's the best. Vegetables also have sugar, glucose, but they have to be broken down more than fruits. Fruits are pretty much diffused almost into your cells. I think they are diffused into your cells. There's really not much digestion. It's the simplest food to digest, which is also very important for someone that had cancer, because they need their energy. They need that energy to clean up the body, you know, to get rid of those toxins, and so they can start to heal. They need to get rid of the acids, which are causing the cancer. So, you know, there's so much confusion out there. That's why it's very important for you to do the research, know the truth about this stuff, because it's just so confusing out there. And, you know, even people like the Hippocrates Health Center over on the east coast of Florida, they're even telling people, yeah, too much sugar, stay away from that, because that causes cancer. Too much sugar causes cancer. Yeah, too much sugar in the bloodstream is going to cause cancer, but the root cause is dietary fat, not fruit. Okay, and you know, if you're eating a lot of cakes and cookies and breads that have oil in them, you're getting too much fat. So anyway, that's what I wanted to talk about today, because one of my friends who has cancer, she's got brain tumors, but she gets it. It's not fruit, and she's on a high fruit diet, and hopefully, you know, it all depends on how far the cancer has gone. And in her case, we're certainly hoping that it's not gone too far, and we're very confident that things will get better, you know, as time goes on. That's the thing. People want the magic bullet, you know. There is no magic bullet to health. You have to work at it, but it's well worth it. So I hope you understood what I was saying there. It's pretty simple. If there's too much fat in the bloodstream, you're going to have a high blood sugar count in your bloodstream. But it's not from eating fruit. It's from too much fat in the diet. So all the best, guys. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. All the best. Take care.